Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to compare two of the best budget USB microphones in the market, the FIFINE Studio Condenser USB microphone and the Razer Seiren Mini. Before we begin, don't forget to like this video, comment down below which microphone you prefer, and subscribe to our channel for more reviews like this. Both microphones offer a simple plug-and-play setup with a USB connection to your laptop or PC, with no additional hardware required. However, the FIFINE microphone includes a boom arm stand and pop filter, making it more convenient for podcasting or home studio recording. Meanwhile, the Razer Seiren Mini's ultra-compact build is perfect for minimalist setups or on-the-go streaming. The FIFINE microphone has a wider frequency response range and handles high SPLS with ease, making it ideal for project home studio applications. On the other hand, the Razer Seiren Mini's ultra-precise supercardioid pickup pattern and flat frequency response make it perfect for broadcasting your voice with stellar clarity that's filled with crisp highs and deep lows. At only $59, the FIFINE microphone is slightly more expensive than the Razer Seiren Mini, which is priced at $49. However, both microphones offer high-quality sound recording at a budget-friendly price. And that's it for our microphone comparison video. Which microphone do you prefer? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more reviews like this. Thank you for watching.